Okay, magandang araw po mga kanumero sa mga naghihintay po ng Olympiad problem ulit. So meron po tayo dito, x raised to 24 plus 1 all over x raised to 12 daw is equal to 7. Ang hinahanap is x raised to 72 plus 1 all over x raised to 36. Okay, all over x raised to 36. So, sa mga gusto pong sumagot, pwedeng i-post po ang video. Okay po, sa mga naghihintay po ng tamang sagot, so ito po yung solution. So, dito tayo muna magpo-focus kasi yun yung given. So, simplify lang natin siya. So, this is x over 12. So, pwede natin siya i-separate. So, ang mangyayari lang po is, from this, magiging x raised to 24 over x raised to 12 plus 1 over x raised to 12. So, i-separate lang natin siya. So, pwede yung gawin. Kasi di ba alam naman natin, halimbawa, 2 plus 3 over 7 is the same as 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7. So, parang sineparate mo lang siya. And then, syempre, gamit ang law of exponent. Pag same base, so just subtract the exponent. So, 24 minus 12, so that is 12. So, x raised to 12 plus 1 over x raised to 12 which is equal to 7. So, ibig sabihin, x raised to 12 plus 1 over x raised to 12 is 7. Ang target natin is dapat may 36. So, paano magta-36 yung 12? Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin is mag-cube tayo. Okay, so i-cube natin. Dito na lang. X raised to 12 plus 1 over x squared raised to 12 equals 7. I-cube natin ngayon. So, syempre, x raised to 12 cube, that is x raised to 36 plus, this is cube, automatically may 3. And then, x raised to 12 squared, gamit ang special product. And then, diba yung sa special product, we will have a plus b cube is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. So, kaya 3, and then in-squared natin yung first term and then copy the second term which is 1 over x raised to 12 and then plus 3 x raised to 12 and then yung i-squared naman yung second term x raised to 12 raised to 2 plus 1 over x raised to 12 or that is x raised to 36 pag kinub na natin. Okay. And then that is equal to 7 cube is 343. Okay. So pwede na natin i-solve x raised to 36. Ito, x raised to 12, x raised to 12, pwede ma-cancel out. Kasi dalawa yung x raised to 12. So, merong squared. Kaya ang matitira na lang is isang x raised to 12. Na-cancel out na. And then, plus, ito naman, dalawa yung 1 over x raised to 12, isang x raised to 12. So, may matitira pang isang 1 over x raised to 12. Plus, 1 over x raised to 36 is equal to 343. And then, idiretso na natin. X raised to 36, ayusin natin, plus 1 over x raised to 36. Pagtabihin na natin itong dalawa. And then ito, may common factor, which is 3. Para sila meron 3. So, matitira na lang is x squared plus 1 over x raised to 12. And then equal to 343. And then x squared plus 1 over x12, yun, nakuha natin kanina, which is equal to 7. So this is equal to 3 times 7 is equal to 343. Yan. Okay? And then, pwede natin idiretso dito. Okay, so magiging x raised to 36 plus 1 over x raised to 36 is equal to, 3 times 7 is 21. So, pag linipat natin, magiging minus 21. So, 343 minus 21 is 322. Yan yung x raised to 36 plus 1 over x raised to 36, which is equal to this. Why? Kasi tingnan natin. Gamitin din natin yung kanina, parehas dito. This is the same as x raised to 72 over x raised to 36 plus 1 over x raised to 36. And then 72 minus 36 is x raised to 36 plus 1 over x raised to 36. So, ibig sabihin, yun siya. Kaya, eto na siya. So, yung sagot natin is 322. And yun lang po. Maraming salamat po.